Hello there, everybody. This is Matthew from Automation Consulting Services. And today we are bringing you a quick tutorial on how to set up your API credentials with Anthropic Developer Console. So you will want to start by going to console.anthropic.com and then logging in. I'm going to use my Google credentials here. Feel free to log in with your email. And then you can just fill out these credentials if you need. Great. And I'm going to sign up as an individual. You can sign up for whichever you need. And then you're going to get API keys. That's a fine name. And we're going to create that API key. And here is our key. So you don't want anyone to see your key. I will regenerate this key after this video, but just copy that. And if you're using an automation software coming from one of our automation tutorials, just hop back into N8N, make.com, Zapier, and drop in that key, and you will be all set to go. You can press continue here. And that's it. A pretty quick tutorial. Pretty easy. You might need to come back in and load up a few dollars onto your account, which you can do just by coming into the console here. But if you don't need to do that, then you're good to go. You've got your keys and you are ready to get started on your project. All right. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next one. And if you ever need any help in bringing your project to life, or you don't want to deal with setting up API keys, please reach out to Automation Consulting Services on our channel, and we would love to help you. You can also check out our school community where we have lots of classes and courses and tutorials about all the things that you will need to get your business up and running with all things related to AI and automation. All right. We'll see you soon. Bye now.